Now, Tourism Minister Lindokuhle Xulu will today visit KwaZulu-Natal to assess the flood damage and inspect the damage on the tourism sector in the area. The province is one of the most popular tourism destinations in that country.
Absolutely. She's expected to visit various stakeholders to see what is needed to assist. Meanwhile, only a fraction of the flood victims will be buried this weekend. This is according to the KwaZulu-Natal Funeral Association Forum, who says government is dragging its feet on the promise of 15,000 rand for burial. The forum says that because many deaths occurred in water, the bodies are decomposed and pose a medical threat if not buried soon. eNCA reporter Lindokuhle Xulu has that story for us.
It's been a difficult 2 weeks for KwaZulu-Natal residents as they continue to try and pick up the pieces after the devastating floods. It's been especially painful for families that have lost loved ones, and if the KZN Funeral Association Forum is anything to go by, the grieving families are in store for more hardships. The Funeral Association says of the 435 deceased flood victims, not even 50 will be buried this weekend.
Not even more than 50. I want to assure it's 448, the number I had, but not even 50. When USAFA, we are a bigger organization in the province, we have 20 approved. The other associations, I'm not sure it's Aguko Octane. That was approved. We're not going to even see 50 bodies being buried.
The association's forum says they'll be able to bury those who had policies with them before passing, but they say a majority of those that passed were not insured. They say authorities have not briefed them on what the processes are for families to access the relief fund set aside for burials, which is the cause of delays. They've also lambasted government on not consulting with them about the amount offered.
The real actualist, how much does a coffin cost? How much a removal cost? How much does anything pertaining the mortuary cost? Funeral
parlors have called on authorities to tap into their knowledge on burial processes to avert what they are calling an impending medical catastrophe.
This raises a health risk as we speak. We know we are from COVID-19, we are from looting, and now COVID is still around. We still have COVID. It's still around, and we still have bodies sitting and decomposed bodies in our mortuaries.
The KwaZulu-Natal Funeral Association says time is of the essence and has urged government to act fast in enabling them to bring dignity to families. Lindokuhle Xulu, Durban.